Now we're gonna see how to create a document. We are going to return to projects and click on documents. The documents, the dynamic Word documents, are documents that the project manager creates to the participants and the intermediary organization. As you can see, as before, in the checklist, in the document generation, you have a list of the documents that you have already created. You can edit and delete again, and you can search and filter by word, as we saw before. To create a new document, you have to click on New Document, and you have to put a title, for example, Evaluation of the program, and a description of the document. Also, you have the option of if it's going to be visible to the intermediary, as we saw before. In this case, it's not going to be for the intermediary. It's only for the participants. To make it, to facilitate to the user, we have already created a shortcode that is going to facilitate to you to do templates to all the participants. Here, you can use them like that. For example, you want to put all the names of the participants, but not by one, if not only a template. So you have to click on and copy this shortcode on the document. As you can see, this document is like a Word and works like a Word document. You can write here, you can put in bold, in underline, and you can change the font or the color, or you can do lists. Also, you can do full screen. So we're gonna put here signature. We're gonna change this. As you can see, works like a Word. Here you have the shortcodes, and we're gonna put also the hosting institution, for example, of this document. Here we can change this like that and put it there and be synced. To create or to finish this document, you have to go to upload, or there is another option that not create the document manually. You can't upload the file of an already created document in your computer with the format of PDF, doc or docx, and the maximum is that size. Once we have created the document, we have here this document. You can, of course, delete or edit.